Chance. Pablo Hara with a huge save. Another ball sent down the right wing. Laura dribbling inside. Cuts back. Shot. Wide. But deflect. Ball sent in. Stop. Dalton Knudsen in the box. Lays it off. Shot. Goal. Goal for Tormenta FC. Scored by Osmar Martinez from distance. Yeah, no goal scored there. Looks like player infringement was called. Tormenta on the ball. Moving up the field. Shot. Just wide. Great play there. Now on the road for a week. Oh, as Tormenta FC gains possession, Renzo with the shot. Just wide. Great attempt there, and looks like a foul was called. A little push. He's definitely dangerous on these set-piece opportunities. Whistle blown. Free kick. On frame. Goal. What a goal for Renzo Andrew-Tetti and Tormenta. Pressure being put on right now by Tormenta FC. Renzo with the ball. Another shot. Just wide. Whistle blown. Free kick coming up. Another chance. Sent wide. Apologies. Taken short. Good turn into the box by Martinez across the 6. Another shot on goal. Ryan Kate with the goal. Aiden now sends it across to Renzo. Renzo with the touch. Beats one man. Hits a low shot. Goal. What a goal by Renzo Andrew-Tetti. Any sort of chances that SSA have had throughout the middle. Renzo sends in a ball. Great cross. Header on frame. Hits the crossbar and up and over.